A disturbing trend of intimidation has emerged in Zimbabwe's healthcare sector, with the hospital staff at Gutu Mission Hospital facing threats from aides of ZANU-PF Senator and State Minister Lovemore Matuke. Zanabna mashoko ataona kuti aiwa maworkers epahospital wofesa intimidation after vaexposa aiwa the ruling party ZANU-PF not wasubscribe like or turn the bell icon. Tibina mzimu aiwa nokuda kuchifumbira vachiti. The workers had spoken out against Matuke's donation of an outdated anesthetic machine, which they claim poses a significant risk to patient safety. The machine, a Mindray and Datre Omeda model, was donated by Matuke to 2023 election campaign, with the claims it was purchased for $25,000 from the United States. However, hospital staff has raised concerns about the machine's viability, citing its obsolete nature and unavailability of spare parts. The machine is obsolete and we cannot use it for surgical procedures, said a hospital staff member who wished to remain anonymous. In a shocking turn of events, Matuke's aides visited the hospital on Monday, demanding to know who had disclosed the information about the outdated machine. The blatant attempt to intimidate the hospital staff has raised concerns about the prioritization of patient safety and the adequacy of resources in Zimbabwe's healthcare system. The incident highlights the need for greater transparency and accountability in the donation of medical equipment. Domashkwatona kuti aiwa Matuke vachintimidata citizens, workers apo vatenga machine yakanga iri outdated. Semanyorero ari achinyorwa panapa kucommunism panapa vachinyatsoona kuti iyi machine inyakwa vakashandisa maspapers hapana uye haisi more efficient. Tudze mafungiro enyu tine pamusoro pechirwere ichi kunyanya kumasection menu. Subscribe or like and turn the bell icon.